Good morning, students. Next lesson, third lesson. So today we are going to see third lesson, theory of equations. So theory of equations. In this chapter, we are going to see forming of polynomial equations and satisfy the given conditions on roots. Then second, to demonstrate the techniques of solving polynomial equation, that is solving polynomial equations of higher degree, how to solve the higher degree polynomial equation. Then third point, some equation if you solving the equation of higher degree when some roots are known to be complex and irrational and rational roots. Then how to identify the reciprocal equations. Ordinary equations, you know that. Then how to identify the reciprocal equations. Then in the last heading, in this chapter, last heading, number of positive and negative roots in a polynomial equation. So usually a polynomial equation, they will give higher degree polynomial equation. How to find the number of roots, how to find the number of positive roots, how to find the number of negative roots. There will be a higher degree equation means there will be a roots, am I right? More number of roots. So n number of roots, suppose n number of roots, there will be a positive and negative roots. So how many positive roots will be in a highest order? 5. How many negative roots will be in a highest order degree? 5. So we can find by Descartes' rule. One rule is there, Descartes' rule. So in this chapter, it is a very simple chapter, students. So first some basic idea I will give. Already you may studied in 10th standard. Basics of polynomial equations. Basics of polynomial equations. So the polynomial function. First, polynomial function. Suppose p of x equal to a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus etc. a1x plus a naught x power 0. So we can write a naught is called polynomial function. Then polynomial equation. Polynomial equation. Suppose a n x power n plus a n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus etc. a1x plus a naught equal to 0. So equal to 0 means we will say polynomial equation. This is function f of x or p of x, we denote. Am I right? Then first basic quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. So what is quadratic equations? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Am I right? This is the quadratic equations. So suppose how to factorize, you know that. Suppose some polynomial can't factorize means how will you find x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Am I right? If the polynomial equation cannot be factorized, using this formula we can find it. Sometimes the roots will be irrational, rational and complex numbers, etc. So suppose here delta means formula is b square minus 4ac. This we call it as the discriminant value. This we call it as discriminant value or discriminant root. So if first part, if delta equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Suppose second part, if delta greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal, real and distinct. The roots are real and distinct, different. Suppose the root delta less than 0, the roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary. So suppose if delta less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Next heading, Vita's formula and formation of polynomial equation, or Vita's formula for quadratic equation. First we can see Vita's formula to apply in quadratic equations. VIETAS, Vita's formula for quadratic 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 equations. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The roots are, generally the roots are alpha and beta. Am I right? So generally we can take the two roots, alpha and beta. Suppose sum of the roots, if you want to find sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta equal to, formula is minus b by a. Then product of the roots, product of roots alpha beta equal to c by a. Then formation of quadratic equation. So formation of quadratic equations, formula is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Otherwise we can say x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So shall we see some quadratic equations problems we can see. Example 3.1. Example 3.1. Question is, if alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equations, quadratic equation 17x square plus 43x minus 73 equal to 0. Construct a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. So what is the question? If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, question is 17x square plus 43x minus 73 equal to 0. We have to construct a quadratic equation whose roots are, what are the roots given? Alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2. So first write this equation. 17 solution. 17x square plus 43x minus 73 equal to 0. So first you have to find sum of the roots. Sum alpha, let alpha and beta be the roots. First we can take, let alpha and beta be the two roots. So sum, first you have to find sum. sum alpha plus beta equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. That is alpha plus beta equal to minus b. So what is here? A equal to 17, b equal to 43, c equal to minus 73. So coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, coefficient constant is c. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b. So minus 43 by 17. Am I right? Then product alpha beta equal to c by a. So alpha beta equal to c. What is c? Minus 73 by a, 17. So this is alpha plus beta, this is alpha beta. Am I right? Then using these equations we have to form the quadratic equation. Sorry, using these roots we have to form the quadratic equations. So again we have to find the sum of the roots alpha plus 2 plus beta plus 2, that is equal to alpha plus beta we can take together, alpha plus beta plus 2 plus 2 is 4. Now this equal to alpha plus beta, what is the value? Already minus 43 by 17 plus 4. Am I right? That is equal to, we have to take LCM. 17 is the LCM. Minus 43 plus 17 into 4. 28 to 4, 5, 68. 68 minus 43, 5, 2, 25. That is equal to 25 by 17. This is sum. Then you have to find product of the roots. So what is the product of the roots? Alpha alpha plus 2 into beta plus 2. That is equal to, multiply alpha into beta, alpha beta, plus alpha into 2 alpha, plus 2 into beta, 2 beta, plus 2 into 2, 4. So alpha beta together, then plus, what is common here? 2. Alpha plus beta plus 4. Am I right? That is equal to alpha beta value. Alpha beta is minus 73 by 17 plus 2 into alpha plus beta, what is the value? Minus 43 by 17 plus 4. Then simplification. What is the LCM here? 17. So that is equal to, LCM is 17. So minus 73 plus 43 into 2. 43 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 86. So minus. Am I right? So here 43 into 2 minus. Okay. So minus 86 plus 4. 4 into 17. 7 4s are 28 to 4, 68. Then minus 73 plus 86. 9, 17. 179 minus 68. 17 minus 6. 9. So answer is minus 91 by 7. This is product. Now we have to form the equation. Am I right? Hence the required equation. Hence the required equation is, formula is x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So x square minus sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots means, don't take this sum. sum of the roots using this alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2, we got one value, no? 25 by 17, am I right? So 25 by 17x plus product, what is the product? Minus 91 by 17 equal to 0. So here LCM is 17, so 17x square minus 25x minus 91 equal to 0. Cross multiply 17x square minus 25x minus 91 equal to 0. That is answer. Understand? Then example 3.2. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, two x square minus 7x plus 13 equal to 0, construct a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. The same model only, but here root is different. If alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, what is the equation given? 2x square minus 7x plus 13 equal to 0. Construct a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square and beta square. So first given equation, 2x square minus 7x plus 13 equal to 0. So what is a here? 2. What is b? Minus 7. What is c? 13. Then first alpha plus beta equal to, what is the formula? Minus b by a. So alpha plus beta equal to 7 minus of minus, so plus 7 by 2. Then alpha beta equal to c by a. So alpha beta equal to c, 13 by 2. Am I right? 13 by 2. Now with these roots, what is the roots? Alpha square and beta square, we have to find the equation. We have to form the equation. Therefore, sum of the roots alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha square plus beta square. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Because alpha plus beta the whole square formula is alpha plus beta the whole square formula is alpha square plus beta square minus plus 2 alpha beta. So we have to find this one. So alpha square plus beta square equal to alpha plus beta the whole square. If it comes this side, minus 2 alpha beta. Am I right? That's why directly we can write alpha square plus beta square equal to, what is the formula? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta, what is the value? 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta, what is the value? 13 by 2. Now 2 cancel, that is equal to 49 by 4. When you take square, 49 by 4 minus 13. Then you have to take LCM. 4 is the LCM. 49 minus 13 into 4. 12, 4, 5, 52. Am I right? So that is equal to 49 minus 52 minus 49. That is 12 minus 9, 3. So minus 3 by 4. Okay. Then product of the roots, alpha square into beta square, that is equal, this can be written as alpha beta the whole square, that is equal to alpha beta. What is the value alpha beta? 13 by 2 the whole square, that is 169 by 2 square is 4. Now what is the equation? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So x square minus sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots? Minus 3 by 4 x plus product of the roots 169 by 4 equal to 0. So x square minus into minus plus 3 by 4x plus 169 by 4 equal to 0. LCM 4. So LCM is 4. So 4x square plus 3x plus 169 equal to 0. Cross multiply 4x square plus 3x plus 169 equal to 0. That is the answer. Understand? So today we are going to see only the quadratic equation, so it will be easy for you, no? So next class onwards I will go little fast, okay, because first basic quadratic equations, that's why I explained slowly. Understand? Anyway, going fast or slowly, it is not a problem. You have to, students, you have to understand. Am I right? Whether you understand these questions? Okay, the same model we will see. Exercise problems we have or not. Yes. So one question, exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1, second question. So question is, construct it is a cubic equation, am I right? So cubic equation I didn't explain, no? So after explaining the cubic equation, I will explain that sum, okay? Then we can see question number 9, yes. If P and Q are the roots of the equation, if P and Q are the roots of the equation, Lx square plus Nx plus N equal to 0, show that square root of P by Q plus square root of Q by P plus square root of N by L equal to 0. So it is a quadratic equation, no? So you can do it. So if, what is the first step? What is given? If P and Q are the roots of the equation. So solution, it is easy question. So Lx square plus Nx plus N equal to 0. Am I right? Now what is here? A equal to L. What is B? N. What is C? C also N. Am I right? Now first we have to find what are the roots given roots are what are the roots P and Q. So sum of the roots P plus Q equal to, what is the formula? We know that minus B by A. Am I right? So that is P plus Q equal to minus B. So minus N by A. A means L. Clear? Now product of the roots. PQ equal to C by A. So PQ equal to C. What is C? N by L. Am I right? So what we have to prove that? This one. So we can take square root of P by Q plus square root of Q by P equal to, first consider square root of P by Q plus square root of Q by P equal to, this can be written as root P by root Q plus root Q by root P. That is equal to LCM. What is the LCM? Root of PQ. So here root Q get cancelled. So we will get root P into root P. So that is P plus root Q into root Q. That is Q. So equal to P plus Q. What is the value? Minus N by L by square root of PQ. What is PQ? N by L. Am I right? This is equal to minus N by L into, if it goes on numerator, root L by root N. Am I right? That is equal to minus N into root L by L into root N. So that is equal to, this can be written as, N can be written as root N into root N into root L divided by, L can be written as root L into root L into root N. Now root N cancel, root L cancel. So finally what we will get? Minus root N by root L. This can be written as root of minus root of N by L. Therefore root of P by Q plus root of Q by P equal to, what you got? Minus root of N by L. If you take this side, square root of P by Q plus square root of Q by P plus square root of N by L equal to 0. Hence proved. Understand? So the same model, these are the problems we have. So dear students, understand, am I right? So cubic polynomial and highest degree polynomial, next class I will explain. Okay, thank you students.